We have a Hunger Man here, Salisbury steak with gravy, potatoes, green beans, and the brownie. 26 grams of protein. And this Hunger Man is going to be paired with a sexy, sexy lake rice. That's what it looks like. Steaklets in there, gravy, potatoes, brownie, green beans. Gotta cut the plastic out of the brownie and slit over the steaklets. Alright, I got the plastic removed from the brownie. Got a slit over the steaklets. Let's take the wrapper off. Potatoes, brownie. Lake rice will be going into my Railway City glass. I'm gonna get some gravy on the potatoes. Smells really, really good. Let's get into this. Get some gravy on that too. Cheers. Cheers. The meat tastes really good. Salisbury steak tastes really good. Really well seasoned. Has a really good spice in there. I actually taste it really good. Alright, let's take a swig of lake rice. Just a fantastic beer. My favorite beer right now. Salisbury steak. Let's try the vegetables. That's good vegetables. I mean, as good as vegetables can get. Nice juicy vegetables. A little sweet actually too in there. Real nice. Alright, let's try the potatoes. Yeah, the potatoes are not too bad with the gravy. The potatoes are really good with the gravy. And normally when you get a Hunger Man without the gravy, I don't really like the potatoes that much because they just taste like, actually kind of, they taste like instant potatoes, but actually worse. With the gravy, it's actually not too bad. Alright, let's drink some more beer. I need to top her up. Stop. Yeah, meat is really well seasoned. And it is actually really, really good. Taste is fucking fantastic. Let's just try gravy. You can try a little bit just gravy, see how the gravy is. It's actually decent gravy. It's pretty damn good. That's pretty damn good gravy. We finished one of the steaklets. Let's grab more vegetables. I'll take that bite. Let's get some more sexy, sexy lake rice in me. Alright, you're actually going to see me take one bite of this Salisbury steak Hunger Man. Cheers to beer for breakfast, facts for snacks, and outlaw camper. Cheers. Pretty fucking decent. All right, let's finish off the vegetables. Yeah, those vegetables are really good. They have like a little extra sweetness to it too. The vegetables have a little extra sweetness to it too. That's really good. There's one hiding in there. Salisbury steak. Some potatoes and Salisbury steak. Alright, let's take a second last bite. Salisbury steak. Alright, with our last bite of the Salisbury steak, I'm gonna add some more potatoes. Make it a little more, try to get more gravy in there. Cheers. Yep. A little crunchy, nice and soft inside. It's a decent brownie. Not the best brownie I had, but it's actually decent for a hungry man. Let's drink the last little bit of beer. That's gone. Laker ice and Salisbury steak hungry man. Really, really good pairing.